This is your host, Pierre Sinclair, and this is a room tour of the beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada Luxor property on the Las Vegas Strip. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Vegas is a beautiful town. This is in the Uber on the way to the Strip. Only takes about 15 minutes. And this is inside of the pyramid. It is stunning. Now, as you go into the Tower Premium King Room, it has not only the stand-up shower, but also the soaking tub. I definitely use that. The window in between, you know the vibes. The bed was quite comfortable. I enjoyed this room. I stay here quite often when I go to Vegas. Definitely one of the cheaper room options, but you definitely get a comfortable room. Now, my favorite part of Vegas is the food. This is a plate from the Diablo Cantina inside of the Luxor Hotel. I've eaten it many times. Chimichurri steak, fire. The Luxor is on the south side of the Strip, so it's a little bit of a walk to the Bellagio, the Aria. But one of the things I do like about it, that in between the Excalibur and the Luxor, they have these walkways, which 50/50 is open. This room is the Pyramid Premier King Room. Recently updated since COVID. It is nice. Usually one of the cheaper rooms on the Strip outside of the Excalibur. The only thing I did not like about this room is right there, the shower. Now, it is a half shower. You can't slide the glass over. So they provide you with that towel right there. So that way you can kind of keep the floor clean, but it's still kind of messy. Now, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe for more content. As always, this is your boy Pierre Sinclair. Peace and love.